hopefully some people are joining with our live science in a little bit here. So this is online community fun time, and this is the Farmington Rec Department bringing this to you. So we're gonna get started. Remember, make sure that you have permission from a parent or a guardian to participate. So I have my daughters with me who are gonna be helping out today with our online community fun time. So today, you guys wanna say hi?
Hi.
We're gonna be doing dancing popcorn, which is a quarter cup of popcorn, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cups of water, and we're going to talk about these words at the end of our experiment, okay? So hopefully remember to look for the flyer that's put out on Sundays to tell you each week what you need for your science experiments or whatever we're creating, which is a hint for next week. So let's get started. All right, so you guys ready to help me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So you need, like I said, 2 cups of water. So this jar already has 1 cup, and the girls are going to help pour in another cup here. Pour in half of that. Go nice and slow. You're going to do half, and then Carrie can do the other half. Good job. Go ahead. All right, nice work. So often when we do this experiment, I've only done it using white vinegar, but I thought that it would be kind of fun to actually see if choosing and using apple cider vinegar, if that would make a difference. So last week we talked about the word hypothesis, and if, sometimes you change it around to see if it does something else. So remember, a hypothesis is just a guess. What do you think is going to happen when everything is all together? Okay, and we talked about the word variable, which is when you change something to make it vary. So your variable would be that we're using 2 different types of vinegar to see if it makes it different, okay? So first thing first is 2 tablespoons baking soda. So remember, 1 tablespoon, so if you have more than 1 child at home participating in this, equals 3 teaspoons. So everybody can get a turn by doing 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon, or you can also just do the 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to let them do 1 tablespoon in each. Nice job. Plop that one in. That's all right. And Carrie, go ahead and do yours. We'll scrape it right into the rest of this. There you go. All right, so it looks a little cloudy right now, but what we need it to do is dissolve, okay? So the girls are gonna take spoons and stir it, not too loud, and go ahead and stir your stuff until it's dissolved. So right now, you can see on the bottom, here, hold up one sec. Right now you can see on the bottom that there's a lot of white underneath. So we're gonna stir until all that white is gone away, okay? So go ahead, ladies, and start stirring. All right, let me check. Do we look like we're all dissolved and that's gone away now? Oh, that one looks pretty clear. Pretty good. So like I said, it's still going to look cloudy, but it'll look clear in the sense that you can't see any of the white left over on the bottom. Okay, guys? All right, let's check yours. Oh, and you did a good job too. So baking soda is actually the base. You need to have 2 substances to make a reaction. So we're going to use baking soda as the base, and our vinegars are going to be the acid, which will cause the reaction. So the next thing we have to do first is put in a 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of the popcorn kernels. Okay, all right, so here you go. You can do your 1/4 cup of kernels. Nice job. Dump that right in. Good work. And you can do your 1/4 cup. Nice work. So as we can see right now, there is no reaction and there is nothing happening because all we have is a base. We don't actually have an acid in it. So there's nothing actually going on right now, okay? So what we're going to have next is our vinegar. So this side is going to be the apple cider vinegar, and this side is going to be the white vinegar. And we're going to see what the reaction is. It takes 1 cup of each, okay? All right, do you want to pour that into the cup line? And Carrie, I'm going to have you use this one. We're going to try to pour it in at the same time, ladies. So don't pour until I tell you to. And we're just going to see, do you think one will dance faster or the other? All right, so go right to that 1 cup line, which is right there. That's good, Care Bear. That works. Nice job, ladies. Now, here's the deal, okay? If you go too quickly with your vinegar and your baking soda, it's going to bubble up and cause too much of a reaction too fast so that it won't dance as long. Now, the other day when I tried this, we were able to get our popcorn to dance for about 40 minutes. So you have to go slow, remember, girls? Because even I went a little overboard the other day. All right, so go ahead and go slow and then pause when it fizzes up, remember? So stop there. Yep, so hers, I think, moves faster. Do a little more, Andy. Nice job. Wait, you can do a little more, Andy, it's okay. You just don't want to go so fast that it bubbles right up over. And keep going, ladies. So like I said, put the vinegar in nice and slowly, okay? Oh, that's okay.
Sorry.
Nope, that's all right, it happens. Now they get to see what happens when you go too fast, so slow it down a little bit. And let's see if one starts dancing faster. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. That's okay. All right, go ahead and put the rest of yours in, Andy.
It's fine.
All right, let's see if it stayed. Oh, okay. So as you can see here, the popcorn is actually dancing. What do you guys think? Do you guys think one is going a little faster than the other? Let's watch. Do you guys have any ideas? Do you think one goes faster or are they about the same?
Faster.
You feel like that one goes a little faster? I don't know. This one's moving pretty quick right now.
Yeah.
So both of these are actually a 5% acid. They're both a 5% acidity and 5% acidity here as well, and diluted with water. So that's why I wanted to see if one would be a little bit quicker or not. So, like I said, this is called dancing popcorn, okay? And these are the things that we need. This should be popcorn kernels. And like we learned today, we talked about how you have to dissolve the baking soda, and vinegar is your acid, and baking soda is your base. So those two things together create a chemical reaction, okay? So I hope you guys had fun joining us for Live Science. Take pictures of yourselves doing this at home and see which one goes longer, or if you don't have both vinegars, which is totally okay, just try one and time that one to see how long that one goes. Hope you guys had fun. Bye.